May I make a mention, Your Lordship? On Monday, Your Lordship, for service matter had been listed with petition number 10640. It was for today. It has not been listed today. And now I didn't. The order only was uploaded today, I think, because I saw it today. It's week starting 8th of December. So may I request for 10th of December, Your Lordship, because I am coming on 10th. My mother Shadi is there on 12th. Highly obliged. On that's fixed date, so I can one day earlier. Lordship, I was anyway coming on 10th evening. I'll come one day. Obliged.
May I make a mention? My lord, my return has already been recommended, has already been pending with the bank. My lord, they are not considering my recommendation.
Please give him them.
Lordship, it's
You are an advocate.
Yes. Yes.
Where is your band?
Sorry, Your
Go.
My lord, keep it in 1st December.
Yes.
Obliged.
Supplementary daily, item number 1.
Yes.
I may permitted to submit on behalf of Mr. Jana. I may permitted to submit on behalf of Mr. Jana.
Okay.
The petitioner is convicted life for the offence of the section 302 and for 10 years for the offence of the section 364.
Bail application has been registered earlier. So how many years you are in custody?
More than 14 years, sir. From 1911, 2011, 1905, 2011.
Have you obtained the custody certificate? So for kidnapping, then committing murder of a minor girl, as it appears. What was the age of the victim or the deceased?
Age of the victim was 5 years.
5 years now. Victim. Now the paper book is ready. So you get ready to argue the matter. You have received the paper book.
Yes, sir.
The London Council for the state has produced the custody certificate as well as the jail conduct of the appellant, which have taken on record. The Land Council for the appellant submits that since the paper book is ready and he has received the paper book, the matter may be taken up for hearing. Matter will be added to the hearing list in the second week of January 2026. Yes, next.
Item 2. The petitioner is convicted under section 302 IPCLRC. He is in custody since 3 to 16.
What is this interim bail, madam?
His brother died on 21/11/2005. In order to perform the obsequious ceremony of his brother,
That you are now pressing or not pressing? Are you pressing this bail application for interim bail?
yes,
When the death took place?
21/11/2005.
21/11.
Yes, 21/11.
What is your instruction on this interim application?
That is certificate of
A copy of the interim application. Why have you not
already
given?
filed. I have already filed.
So ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେଠି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ସାମିଲ ନ କରିବେ କେମିତି ହବ? ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ୟା ଦେହରେ ଯେ 10 କର୍ମ ଏକାଦଶ କର୍ମ ତିରିଶ
30/11
10/2025 ଆଉ
typographical mistake.
ନା ତା 30 କେବେ ହବ?
30/11 and
30 11 2025 ଆଉ 1/12/2025 କେବେ ମଲେ? 21 11 2025.
21/11.
So this let him verify that trial court verify if it is found to be correct, he will grant this interim. You give him a copy for the purpose. Are you having that interim application copy with you?
Yes.
Please give it a copy so that for his record it should be maintained. Like, IN number 400 of 2025. There is an application for interim bail on the ground that the brother of the petitioner expired on 21/11/2025, and for performing the obsequious ceremony of his deceased brother, which is to be held on 30/10/2025, 30/11/2025, and on 1/12/2025, the presence of the petitioner in the village is in his house is necessary. Hello? And therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Land Council for the state submits that he has not obtained instruction on the interim application. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, the grounds taken in the interim application, the certificate of the Sarpanch, which is annexed to the interim application in support of the death of the brother of the petitioner, we are inclined to release the petitioner on bail for a period of 10 days from the date of release, subject to condition that the London trial courts, before accepting the bail bond, shall verify about the grounds taken in the interim application relating to the death of the brother of the petitioner, and if it is found to be correct, then only the bail bond will be accepted. Stop. While on bail, the petitioner shall not indulge in any criminal activity and shall not try to come in contact with the family members of the deceased. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of the interim bail. The matter be listed on such and such date. The London Council for the petitioner shall produce the surrender certificate. Yes.
Item 3.
Please, Your Lordship. Lords, I am there virtually. Lords, here on the last occasion, I had pointed out the evidence of PW7, the doctor, at page 78 of the paper book. And the doctor has testified that on perusal of the chemical examination report, she had opined the cause of death to be due to organophosphorus poisoning and its complications. So Your Lordship had asked the state to submit after verifying the records as to whether there is any material to show that there is that's a charge on section 302 IPC was.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଛି ତ ରେକର୍ଡ ଅଛି ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇ କେସରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୋଷ୍ଟମର୍ଟମ କରାଗଲା ସେତେବେଳେ I think he gave the opinion reserved. The viscera report ହେଲା viscera ଆସିଲା ଯେ ଏଟା ହଉଛି organophosphorus poison ଯୋଗୁ death ହେଇଛି so but କିଛି injuries ତାର ଦେହରେ notice କରାଗଲା but those injuries were not the cause of death. Otherwise, he would have given the opinion in the first instance itself. So, but all the same, you have not only submitted charge sheet, the finding is also that it is a case of homicidal death. So, unless you establish from the materials on record that the organophosphorus poison was forcibly administered to the deceased after causing these injuries, it cannot be a case of homicidal death. So it may be case of suicidal death. So that is how the matter was adjourned, and you are asked to verify that what are the materials on record. Have you gone through the you pointedly answer this. If you are ready, answer this. I mean, so Mr. Panda has also raised this point that how under this circumstance the dead body was lying outside, right?
In a field.
In a field. Cause of death is not due to those injuries which are sustained. Cause of death was subsequently ascertained from the doctor on the basis of the visceral report that it is a intake of organophosphorus poison. So how can you say that it is a case of homicidal death? So ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା ବାକି ଅନ୍ୟ ଜିନିଷ ଅଛି ସେ ତା ପାଖରେ ରହୁଥିଲା so that part is to be that finding is stating that it may not be a case under section 303.
Have you prepared or not? Huh? Not
Have you seen the order which you have? So once you see this order, ସେଇ ଲାଇଟ୍ ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ ହବା କଥା ନା ଆଉ ଇଆଡେ ସିଆଡେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସେ ଟର୍ଚର କଥା କହିଛି ଇଏ କହିଛି ସେଗୁଡା ତ ଆମେ ପଚାରି ନଥିଲୁ ନା ପଚାରୁ ଯୋଉଠି ଲିଗାଲ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପଚରା ହଉଛି we should be ରଖୁଛୁ ଆମେ ସୋମବାର ମଙ୍ଗଳବାରକୁ ରଖୁଛୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ହଁ Monday ରଖୁଛୁ Mr. Panda, you are available on Monday?
My lords.
Yes, Monday. On 1/12/2025. Yes, next.
And for the benefit of my learned friend, I would also submit that the charge under 498, I have completed the total period of imprisonment.
That also. Yes.
Item 4.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Madam, may I please, Your Lordship? Thus, the present appellant is in custody since 9 years, 11 months, 7 days. The last occasion also, his teeth has produced the custody certificate as well as the conduct of the.
No, he was directed to produce.
No, already been. It has been recorded 10/11/2025. Now, my lord, the
Eyewitnesses are there.
no, the circumstantial evidence.
What are the circumstances?
Plus the PW12 plus the daughter-in-law of the.
No, what are the circumstances?
Plus the same daughter-in-law is coming towards the
Last scene, extrajudicial confession.
last scene, last scene.
Only last scene.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Oh, there are criminalities. How many cases?
Against the petitioner.
number 2 cases.
Get these instructions out. Very bad. Take it for a key.
All my.
Let me. The Learning Council for the state has handed over the instruction received from IIC Chandrasekharpur, Chandrasekharpur Police Station, Bhubaneswar UPD regarding the criminal antecedent against the appellants. A case among there are connected cases. In this case, also the connected jail criminal appeals. The Learning Council, and he has handed over the copy of the instruction. To the Learning Council for the appellant, who seeks some time to obtain instruction on the same about the status of those cases and file a comprehensive affidavit. Put up this matter, put a weeks of record. Yes, next. Grateful.
Item 5.
On behalf of Miss, how can you adjourn to next week? She is not available.
Mention is made on behalf of Miss Anita Sahoo for adjournment. Is this matter 8 तारीख को चुका 8/12/2025. Yes, next.
Item 6.
Mr. Jafrullah. Next.
Item 7.
Yeah.
Last occasion was also drafted for the custody certificate report as
Custody certificate, criminal antecedent, jail conduct.
Yes.
तिनका जिनसे मगेगी. Mr. Nayak.
Lawrence transfer the appeal and method.
Then voting. Then luggage little bit.
I think for them.
You have to produce.
The prisoner will file.
तो लिखा ही है state inadvertently এটা state জায়গায় petition রয়ে ଅଛି ତ ଏତେ କଥା କଣ? He was acquitted of the charge under 394 and found guilty under 302 only. Okay.
Yes.
So robbery part has been disputed.
Custody since 29/11/2017.
Just a minute. এটা হଉଛି କେତେ ଦିନ ହଉଛି ଏଟା?
7 ବର୍ଷ
2914 ରେ କେତେ ହଉଛି?
7 ବର୍ଷ 9 ମାସ
7 ବର୍ଷ 7 years 9 months. ବାକି 302 ର କଣ material ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ?
One eyewitness is there.
Eyewitness କିଏ କେତେ
No
ବର୍ଷ?
witness has not been seen. Eyewitness is PW9.
PW9.
Now we are just seeing both of them together.
Just a minute. The occurrence took place 7 years back. ପଢନ୍ତୁ.
Yes. The informant man is my co-village. I know the accused.
ସେଇଟା ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ paragraph 2 କୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ.
The occurrence took place about 7 years back when Ramachandra died. The accused had come from his village, Tarbasa, to have a village to the house of the informant. Thereafter, the accused came to my house and stayed overnight. On the next morning, the accused called the deceased to go with him to the jungle for hunting wild boar. Thereafter, myself, the deceased, and the accused together went to the Lakshmi Marak jungle. Thereafter, both the accused and the deceased asked me to go back. As I was going back, the deceased shouted and called me back, and I went back and saw that the accused was chasing the deceased and was assaulting him with the butt of a gun, which belonged to the deceased. The accused saw me at the distance and threatened, saying, "Kisi ko chhodenge nahi." Thereafter, I came back to my house, and out of fear, I did not disclose the matter to anybody. The Ramachandra was missing for 3 days and did not return back, and thereafter his dead body was received from that.
Who is the IO? जो PM doctor.
PM doctor 14.
schedule 30.
Three injuries are there and cause of death is due to shock and hemorrhage. Injuries to be vital, head rate injuries. Our criminal antecedent कौन अच्छी? No criminal antecedent. लोगों को दिया रहा. मेरा बाहर से लोग उड़ा. ये address verification करन तू. है ଆଉ ଆପଣ document ଆଣି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ local security. ହେଲା? So that will be verified. Land Council for the state has produced the custody certificate as well the criminal antecedent report which are taken on record. However, he pointed out that the petitioner, the appellant, belongs to village Bila under Manjari police station in the district of West Singhbum. As for the address West Singhbum in the state of Jharkhand, and maybe given some time to verify the correctness of the address given in the cost typo stop. The land council for the appellant shall furnish the documents of the local sureties to the state for verification. Put up this matter. केवे देवे आपण?
After December 8th.
अच्छा, 15th for them. 15th of December 2020.
Pardon, my lord, items 15,
15, 12, 2025. Yes. Yes.
items 15.
Fine. You want adjournment or?
No,
Then you are not here. Your name is. It is
name
Mr.
not
Jaffrullah is the- No, it's a jail criminal appeal. Ask Mr. Jaffrullah to argue the matter. It's not a private brief, so anybody can
sorted this.
ask. We are keeping it on 8th of April. 8/12/2025, item number 6. Yes.
Item 8.
My Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Gangadhar Samuel, I'm praying for an adjournment.
Give your name, madam. Adjourn to 8/12/2025. Yes, next.
Item 9.
My pleasure. Offense convicted under section 305 IPC. The sentence imprisonment of life.
2025 ର ଆପଣ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି deposition copy?
Item 9 more.
9ଟା 2025 ର criminal appeal.
Custody certificate available at judgment ରେ ଅଛି.
ହଁ,
It is not on bail.
ଏ 4 ବର୍ଷ
No, ma.
9 ମାସ ରହିଛି. And we are asking you, have you got the deposition copies?
Yes,
Because
paperwork received.
paperwork ready na?
Yes.
Paper book.
Acha, is there any eyewitness?
Yes,
Who is?
PW11.
PW11.
Far from PW11. ପଢନ୍ତୁ.
I, along with my deceased husband, my daughter Sabita, were residing at a hillock that is called Jhatli Pada of village Boda Phuket. Phuket. The accused was also staying in a later distance from my house.
मेरा little अच्छा, ठीक है, जाओ पढ़ो.
2 years back, during night hours, there was a quarrel in between my deceased husband and accused. The accused killed my husband by means of a ghagra. As a result, my husband died under salapa tree. Then I informed the matter to Akhil. Then he reported the matter in police station.
You know where he has seen that he has seen it.
My cross examination. Para 4. It is a fact that I saw the accused holding
Go on.
assaulted my husband.
So what is the PM report?
Schedule 14.
Lacerated wound. Occipital region. ପାଞ୍ଚ ବର୍ଷ ହେଇନି ରହିଥାନ୍ତୁ ନବା ଇଏ ଫେବୃଆରୀ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ଫେବୃଆରୀ 2026.
Thanks to Defense Counsel.
Yes, next.
For orders, item 10.
Please, your lordship. In item 10, my lords, in IA number 2599 of 25 arising out of criminal appeal 902, where the petitioner is covered under the NALSA guidelines, learned state council had taken time to ascertain that the appellant is a 80-year-old man, my lords, who was 77 years when he was charge sheeted.
Now we have mentioned it, Pandit.
Yes, my lords.
The appellant is 81 years.
81.
Two requirement is there. As per the
Ah.
NALSA guideline, two requirements there. One must the prison must be more than 70 years, and
No, it is either or, not that both.
It's either or.
in case no, in
either
case
or.
the prisoner fall in both the categories, they should be classified as prisoner with terminal illness. It is formula.
You say either or, Mr. Counsel.
Formula
Either terminal ill or the 70.
it's formula that I am placing. Page 7. IA page 7.
IA page
7. IA number 2599.
Column 12, your lordship may see category. Prisoner aged 70 years or above, or prisoner with terminal illness. They say in case he falls in both categories, he should be classified as prisoner.
They should be classified as prisoner with terminal illness.
Yes.
That is the
Lordship.
either
above 70 or terminal.
ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ବି 70 ବର୍ଷ ଉପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଟର୍ମିନାଲ ଇଲନେସ ବି ଆସିପାରେ ସେଭଳି କେସ୍ କୁ ଯଦି ଇଏ କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ତାକୁ କ୍ଲାସିଫାଇଡ କରିବେ ଯେ he is ମାନେ also ମାନେ he falls under so and so ହେଲା it's not that either both should be. So what is about the, by the way, what is his health condition? Suffering from
normal old age illnesses,
pulmonary disease with HTM, a report of so and so along with the medical certificate annexed, 81 years. Or the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. As for the order dated 24/11/2025, the learned counsel for the state has produced the report from DSP in charge Mahanga Police Station, Qatar, which shows that the petitioner is now 81 years old, and he is, as per the medical documents, he is suffering from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease with HTM. The medical certificates of different government hospitals have been annexed to the report, which are taken on record. In view of the NALSA special campaign on the old prisoners and terminally ill prisoners, and in view of the report furnished by the learned counsel for the state, and kete period rahilani, Mr. Khanna?
My lord, 3 years and I have stated.
Bail lekhile ki apan?
Your lordship granted him bail.
3 years for.
And that the petitioner was on bail during trial, and nothing has been produced before us that he has misutilized his liberty while on bail in any manner during trial, and the fact that as per the report submitted, he is in judicial custody for 3 years and 4 months. We are inclined to release him on bail subject to condition that he shall not indulge in any criminal activities.
Your lordship may only add that after the conviction also, your lordship has given him interim bail twice. And no adverse.
And that during the pendency of this appeal also, he has been
twice he is an interim.
Twice not dated.
That is order dated 24/9/24
24/9/24
and 9/9/25.
9/9/20 Yes, next.
Urgent copy.
Yeah.
Item 11.
For the interim death on the ground of the harvest illness.
Instruction copy ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କପିଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ମେଡିକାଲ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି ଆନେକ୍ସ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କୋଉ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ବାପାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଇଲନେସ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଏଜ୍ 71 years old
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବାପା 71 ହେଲେ ବାହାରିବେନି ପ୍ରିଜନର କୁ ଏଜ୍ 71 ହେଲେ ବାହାରିବେ is the petitioner aged about 71 years then
the father of the
petitioner ଯେ You are taking a ground that your father is suffering from some illness for which the presence of the petitioner is necessary.
Yes,
So
my
you must support that averment by filing some documents. Your father is outside. He must be under treatment.
yes, my
So why are you not filing those medical documents so that he will
Fine.
verify? Look on the IN number 2845 of 2025. This is an application, interim application for bail on the ground of ailment of the father of the petitioner. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment, not only to serve a copy of the interim application to the learned counsel for the state, but also file the medical documents in support of the ailment of his father and file the copies also for the court of this matter to be commencing from 8th of December 2025. In case the interim application copy along with the medical documents are served on the learned counsel for the state, instructions shall be obtained in the meantime. Yes, next.
Item 12.
On behalf of the
Here in this case, my lord, conviction for life. There is the eyewitness to the occurrence, my lord.
25 ro criminal appeal.
Aye.
The deposition अच्छी.
My lord.
अच्छा, की आई विटनेस की है?
6 eyewitnesses are there.
गोटे को
PW1
किए injured आई विटनेस की अଛନ୍ତି की?
ଅଛନ୍ତି
One is injured eyewitness.
PW1 ଅଛି.
And
One,
10 also
10.
injured eyewitness.
हाँ?
10 also injured eyewitness.
10.
So PW1 ଆଉ PW10 ଯେକୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ପାଖକୁ ପଳେଇବ ଏକ ତାକୁ ପଳେଇବ.
Out of 6, my lord, 5 has not supported. So far as the 1 is concerned, he has supported. My lord.
ଆସୁଛି injured आई विटनेस ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ କଣ? ସଞ୍ଜୟ ପ୍ରଧାନ.
I know all the accused persons.
You are moving for this first one, Sanjay Pradhan.
Sanjay, 5 accused persons.
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଇ କ୍ରିମିନାଲ ଆପିଲରେ କେତେ ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
3 ଜଣ.
3 ଜଣ.
ଆରଟା 2 ଜଣ connected.
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବେଲ୍ ମୁଭ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଉ ତାହେଲେ ପଢନ୍ତୁ PW1
Second paragraph.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ
The occurrence took place 22/7/2010 at about 10 a.m. at Sramnagar Chakar near tea stall of Baposau. At that time, myself along with Pratap Behra, Rajendra Behra and Ganesh Patra were taking tea at the Baposau tea stall. And at that juncture, accused person namely Sanjay Pradhan, Sanjay Raut and Pinku Patra came in one motorcycle and Kalia Setti and Krishna Patra came in another motorcycle to the spot. And then the accused person Sanjay Pradhan got down from the motorcycle and hurled bomb aiming Dhirav Samal which hit to his body, and then the accused Krishna Patra hurled another bomb aiming at Dhirav Samal which did not hit the person.
This is Nago.
Dhirav Samal. Huge sound was coming. Then Dhirav Samal ran away to save his life towards Siramnagar Street. And then the accused Kalia Setti and Sanjay Raut, Sonia Raut chased him by holding Kati and sword. Then Dhirav Samal entered into the deluxe roadways, which was situated in Siramnagar Street, and then all the accused person entered into the said deluxe roadways, and all the accused person surrounded Dhira Samal and then assaulted Dhira Samal by means of sword and kati, and then the accused person hurled a bomb and fled away from the spot by their motorcycle. Then I called the brother of Dhira Samal over telephone, and the family member immediately came to the spot. At that time, Dhira Samal has sustained severe bleeding injury all over his body and shouted for help. And
Who is the
when
doctor?
doctor is PW18.
I also sustained injury on the backside of my leg.
PW?
Bomb blast.
18.
is a doctor.
So what do you say?
So far as the other eyewitness are concerned, my lord,
ଏଇ ଗୋଟାକର
First,
ବୁଝ
you get
no,
rid of
only he has stated, my lord. He has
He
stated.
injured. He himself.
you believe that is finished, matter is over.
No, another eyewitness come injured is there, my lord.
PW 10. And the occurrence was taken place at the Deluxe Roadways Private Limited. That branch manager working at the shop, two laborers are there. They have stated, my lord, they are eyewitness to the occurrence. PW 15, 16 and 19, my lord. They have stated they have not seen that occurrence was taken place, my lord.
Sahoo, how do you get over the injured? I leave that those persons who have not supported. How do you get over the persons who have supported the case when this man is an injured eyewitness and his presence cannot be disputed? And he has stated how right from the throwing of bombs, chasing the deceased, surrounding him, assaulting with different weapons, and how the death was caused, and here
15 say 15 also they see 15
Yes,
also
my lord.
say what
Working
15
at the
and he saw 4 and 5% changing
in cross examination,
out of fear they
that
that part of the story is
Schedule 7 also.
PW 15, my lord, he has in cross examination.
2026 is next.
Item 13.
This case, my lord, in first case, the no, I am item number 1, my lord. My lord. My lord, in pursuant to directives of this honorable court, while granting interim, the petitioner before lordship surrender before the court, and the surrender certificate I am producing, my lord. Surrender certificate I am giving. So far, my lord, I have filed an IA, wherein 27, 22, 2025.
Now you have filed another IA.
Now that may be
because that IA extension is gone.
No, madam, not fresh, madam.
CRLA number 251, first item. Item number 13. IA number jota achi 2722 of 2025. This is an application for extension of the interim bail order. Learned counsel for the petitioner has produced the surrender certificate, which is taken on record and submits that the interim application has become infructuous. Accordingly, IA is disposed of as infructuous. IA number so and so. This is an application for bail. Since the petitioner was granted interim bail for a period of so and so months, and he has surrendered, the Learned Counsel for the state shall obtain instruction regarding the conduct of the petitioner while on interim bail. Matter be listed in the week commencing from 8th of December 2026 with CRLA number so and so and CRLA number so on. Yes. Next.
Item 4.
ଆସିବ ତ ଏକାଠି ଶୁଣାଣି ହବ ଆପଣ ଯାଇଥିଲେ କି ବେଲ ରେ ନା ତାହେଲେ ଏକାଠି ଶୁଣା yes next
Item 14.
yes Mr. Chand
You have the conviction under 302 for life and no direct evidence.
yes ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ instruction regarding criminal
Government servant, you are serving in a NALCO. So no criminal offense, but in custody for 5 years.
संदीप प्रबोध क्रिकेटा कौन ये लोग को कौन करे
नालको रे चाकरी करता है असिस्टेंट जनरल मैनेजर
कौन है डायरेक्ट एविडेंस
ना किसी डायरेक्ट एविडेंस नहीं डिक्लेरेशंस
with the deceased.
This is the none other than the wife of the parent petitioner, and she was found dead outside the house in a and she was immediately taken to hospital. The doctor has also not found any injury in any part of the body, and so he has also said to be suicidal. PW 11. Subsequently, after a month, thereafter postmortem was conducted. After a month, postmortem report was the postmortem report was produced, and on the postmortem report is found third, fourth, sixth rib from the right side has been broken. And on that, the doctor has said maybe a homicidal. He has not given a clear picture. And the query was made. He has also said maybe homicidal. And with that particular prosecution starts in motion. All the witnesses, not a single person is supported. Only the material available is the evidence of PW 12. But PW 11 and 12 who are the doctor, because PW 11 has said, I have not found any injury on any part, but it has been found, the doctor has said some injury. And the PW 4, who is the postmortem, who is also an expert, forensic expert, he has also said this injury can be possible by fall. Which the
PW 12 ର he
Any injury.
postmortem କରିଛନ୍ତି.
She was
He has
instituted
seen
in
one
2011.
inside.
She found a
And
cut injury
there
in the
are
wrist.
number of injuries on the person of the deceased, and he has also noticed internal injury because the fractures are there, and opined that it was due to hypovolemic shock following injuries to the vital organs like left and right lung, liver, and kidney. Hello? So this is the report of the doctor. How do you overcome that?
DW4 is the doctor who has been examined, but it is his evidence that it is the specific one being asked Malad. But PW412 has said that this injury is not possible on fall Malad. But DW4, but being forensic expert, it is his evidence that is fall. And the other person and the persons who are there by the neighboring persons Malad, they have, including the father, mother, they have also.
What is your accused statement? What is your accused statement?
Accused statement, because 106 is the.
You are not disputing that the deceased was your wife. You are not disputing that both of you are staying together. So now only question is that these doctor's evidence have also been confronted to you that these are the injuries which have been sustained and there are refractures, this, that. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଉତ୍ତର ହଉଛି ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ। ଆପଣ ଯଦି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୋ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ କୋଉଠି ପଡିକିନି ଏମିତି କ୍ଷତ ବିକ୍ଷତ ହେଲା ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ପ୍ଲି ନେଲେନି କାହିଁକି?
Let me clarify. The dead body of it was a dark night. In the morning at about 5 a.m. I gave a call to my immediate neighbor PW1 that the door has been locked from outside. Door of my house has been locked from outside. The PW1 came. He opened the door. It was also supported by PW2. And thereafter, both PW1 and usually myself immediately shifted the body, rushed towards the bottom, and my wife was found in a sitting posture, much the distance that we was in the flat. In the bottom, after the particular grill, that collapsed flat, collapsed grill. After that particular, the body was found, and she was immediately taken to hospital. PW11. He has not found any injury and has said anyone visible injury. He has said that because of this type of injury, suicidal attempt may be there, and he has opened.
ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଯଦି ରାତିରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଘରେ ଥିଲା ସେ ସେଠିକି ଗଲା କେମିତି ବାହାରୁ କବାଟ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଲା କେମିତି କଣ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ଲି ନଉଛନ୍ତି ନାଇକିନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ତଳେ ଯାଇକିନି ସେ ଯୋଉ କୋଲାପ୍ସିବଲ ଗେଟ୍ ପାଖରେ ତାର ଡେଡ୍ ବଡି ପଡିଥିଲା ମୁଁ କିଛି ଜାଣିନି ସେ ପଡିକିନି କଣ ହେଇଥିବ ପଡିଲେ ସେଠିକି ଆସିବ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ଘର ଭିତରୁ କୋଲାପ୍ସିବଲ ଗେଟ୍ କୁ କେମିତି ପଡିବ?
କୋଲାପ୍ସିବଲ ଫ୍ଲାଟ ର ଉପରୁ ଯଦି ଜଣେ ଯଦି ପଡିଗଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାହେଲେ ତଳଟା ହଉଛି ଗେଟ୍ କୋଲାପ୍ସ ଗେଟ୍ ବାହାରେ ପଡିଥିଲା ନଟ୍ ଭିତରେ।
that you are to adduce evidence ମନେକର ଜଣେ କୋଠା ଉପରେ ଗଲା if it is your case then the position must be such that it is possible that if the body falls from there it will ତ ତା ଦେହରେ ବି ଅନ୍ୟ ପ୍ରକାର ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି ରହିବ it's not that ଜଣେ ଜମ୍ପ ପଡିବ ମାନେ କୋଠା ଉପରୁ ସେଟା ଯାଇକି ସେ କୋଲାପ୍ସିବଲ ଗେଟ୍ ପାଖରେ କେମିତି ଯାଇକି ଆପଣ ବା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ବସିଥିଲା ସେଠି ଜଣଙ୍କର ଯଦି ପଡିବ ଉପରୁ ଡେଇଁବ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ପଡିବ ସେଠି ତ ଆଗେ ବ୍ଲଡ ଆସିବ ଆଉ ସେଠୁ ଉଠିକିନି ଯଦି ବି ଯାଇଛି ସେଠୁ ବ୍ଲଡ ଟ୍ରେଲିଂ ରହିବ ଅପ୍ ଟୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଗେଟ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନର୍ମାଲ ଜିନିଷ।
Case of the prosecution that the thing was materialized inside the house. Forensic report, forensic expert, they went. They have not found any mark of violence inside the house. Also, the staircase, they have also not found anything, my lord. And it is the case that admittedly, but my door was locked from outside.
Chalo, February masero. Eta Lakhundu Land Council for the state has produced the custody certificate as well as the criminal antecedent which are taken on record. Put up this matter in the month of February 2026. Yes, next.
Item 15.
May I please, Your Lordship? The Lordship will pray for a week time.
Next.
Item 16.
The case, my lord.
Did not two and
You items.
conviction for life measure. Date of offense measure 6/9/2017. Informant measure PW 10 wife of the deceased measure. Deceased measure Videshi Kondopani measure.
अच्छी अपन पर डिपोजिशन कॉपी
There are 5 eyewitnesses to the.
हाँ
Okay.
At I am coming that one.
सपोर्ट कर जंदी
Yes, sir.
Well, there is a weapon of offense not established. I am coming to that point.
no weapon of offense हमें देखिए और नहीं है क्या आई विटनेस सपोर्ट कर जंदी नहीं
Malad,
वो तेरे मारला
Tangia man.
टांगिया
Malad.
who is the doctor
Doctor man PW 16 man. No weapon of
No.
offense malad.
so many injuries have been
No malad.
6 injuries have been sustained
In cross examination PW 16 malad is a doctor malad. Is
multiple lacerated wounds all over the body hemorrhage February 26 yes next
malad have a glass and say
yes next
Item 17.
PW2 is the injured come eyewitness.
have you received the deposition copies yes PW6 person
PW2.
2
Yes, ma'am.
yes
I am appearing for other one 894 with
you are appearing for
894 to
हाँ ठीक है
I connected.
दुई नंबर साखी कौन कौची
Para 3 your lordship. They dragged my grandfather and assaulted him by body on his head. I intervened. They abused me. My grandfather fell down. Then the accused Sudhira assaulted him by means of a sword on his head. He sustained bleeding injury. They also assaulted me by kicks and body. I also sustained injury on my back. There is allegation against appellant number 1, my lord. Appellant number 2.
Sudhira
Sudhira, my lord.
no what about the doctor
Doctor is PW 15.
eyewitness जने केवल ना PW
Eyewitness informant भी.
हाँ PW2 is the informant and he is the sole eyewitness ଆଉ ସିଏ କହୁଛି ଯେ main attribute କରୁଛି
Sudhira who was assaulted by means of a
Sudhira
sword.
is appellant number
2.
in your the first application
Yes, ma'am.
and what about the doctor's evidence
Doctor PW 15. External injury.
Speech room 13 number of speech पढ़तला अच्छा speech room surrounding this witness also cause of death is due to that external injury number 1
yes
ସେଟା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେ ଖଣ୍ଡା ବାଲାକୁ ଆଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁଟ କରାଯାଉଛି ଏମାନଙ୍କର ହଉଛି ସେ ଯୋଉ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ରହିଲେଣି
Yes, so far as the 4 years 1 month. During trial he was on bail.
any criminal antecedent
No.
That has to be confirmed.
the Lieutenant Counsel for the state seeks some time to obtain instruction relating to the criminal antecedent of the appellant's
Custody certificate.
So also the custody certificate of the 8th gotiger like देवे so also the appellant এটা secondary appellant na appellants
yes ma'am.
Also the appellants in the connected appeal that is CRLA number 894 of 2020
এই তিনজনকে এগেইনস্টে কিছু নাই
देखिए तो आज सुनो next
Item 18.
এটা 15 তারিখ আছে next
Item 19. Item 18.
The appellant convicted of under 364, 302 and 3 and 4 of the
Item 18.
I know.
Item 18. 18 or 19? 18.
Here is a case, man of the deceased. Deceased had gone to call of nature.
eyewitness which one
The first part of the occurrence, man.
First part, mane?
First part, the deceased had gone to the call of nature. After attending call of nature, 7 number accused person surrendered him. This appellant pressed the neck. Those 2 persons were there and protested. Thereafter, the one Shankara Dole fired a pistol. And thereafter, Takoso Jena exploded the bomb. Thereafter, 2 persons, Dharmendra and Ashoka, sat the deceased in the middle of the motorcycle and took away. Yes.
So you mean to say that your role is only the pressing of the neck?
Pressing of the mouth, as per evidence of wife and informant.
You had not accompanied in that motorcycle?
No, as per evidence of PW6, I have not accompanied.
Motorcycle nela pore taro assault in death ହେଇଛି ନା କଣ?
Motorcycle ପରେ he got information that this is was lying near the gotch tree. ତାପରେ ଦେଖାଯାଏ.
The first place of assault ପରେ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ motorcycle shift କଲେ.
Shift କଲେ.
We bring that criminal antecedent. Criminal antecedent ନିଆ ଆସୁ. Yes.
During trial period, I was on bail.
CA and Pomdoro. Next.
Item 19.
Okay. 19 we are wasting time because we are not offended. I filed.
All right. 6 for an adjournment. Ki भी नांती बोले. Item number 19 ने adjourn for non-appeals कर दो. Yes.
Item 20.
There is a defect, madam. I will.
Defect. You remove it within 2 weeks. है 2 weeks.
There was a report was called for, madam.
Contact.
Nothing is that.
What report was called for?
Nothing is there.
There is a 2,000 judgment. What is the report? What is it? এটা appeal টা কেবে ফাইল হয়েছে?
2025.
25 को কোন মাসে? অক্টোবরে সেই যে ইয়ে করে right. All right, so carry the report of the so which was submitted as per the order dated son, and counsel for the appellant seeks some time to remove the defects as pointed out by the stamp report. This matter in the commencing from 8th of December. In the meantime, you remove the defects.
By next week, I will remove.
If the defects are removed, the matter will be listed for admission. Press admission readiness. Sure.
Okay. And in this case, the mother of the appellant has expired today.
Which case?
But all that, not in the board. May I pray for tomorrow?
Fine, tomorrow.
Monday.